Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 8 minus 8 multiplied by 8 minus 8. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now, according to the rule, first we solve multiplication. So, equation become 8 minus 8 times 8, they give us 64 minus 8. And if we have more than one subtraction, so we solve from left side. So in left side we have 8 minus 64, they give us 56 minus 8 and minus 56, and minus 56 or minus 8, they give us minus 64. So the final answer is minus 64. Thanks for watching.